Hi guys, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to install Docker on Windows 11 machine. But first be sure to like and subscribe. So first of all, what I will do, I will open the Google Chrome browser and I'll type how to install Docker desktop on Windows, and I'll click this link and I'm going to click this particular link, Docker desktop for Windows. Okay, once I'm going to click this link, this is going to download the installer file. Okay, this is going to take some time. I have already downloaded this file, so I'm going to cancel the download process and I will open this Docker desktop. Okay, let me just go to the directory where this is already been downloaded. Okay, go to the downloads and here Docker desktop, search Docker desktop. Okay, but first you need to ensure that there are certain things that are already there in the system. First of all, I'll open the command prompt, and in the command prompt I'll type WSL. So you have to make sure that WSL is already installed. Let me see if it is already installed in my system or not. Oh no, it is not installed, so I have to install this WSL. Type the command WSL dash dash install, INSTALL. Okay, this is what you're going to do and click enter, and this will install the WSL on your system. Okay, so enter a new Unix username. Just give a username here. And type a password here. So WSL has been successfully installed. So now I'm going to open the command prompt again. Go to command prompt, run as administrator, and I'm going to check the version of WSL. So WSL has already been installed. Let's see, dash dash version. Okay, this is the version of WSL. Now I'm going to perform few more checks. So in the search bar I'll type task manager. Okay, I'll open the task manager and I will go in the performance section. So you have to make sure that virtualization is enabled. So it has already been enabled, so I'm going to cancel this. Now next in the search bar I'll type Windows features. Okay, turn Windows features on or off. Okay, and let me just maximize it, and I'll search here WSL. So you have to make sure that this WSL feature is enabled. Okay, Windows subsystem for Linux. I've already installed this WSL in my system. Now next I'm going to just open the and this will start the installation process. Click OK. So the installation process has been completed. Now click close and open Docker desktop. Click accept. Okay, click skip. Starting the Docker engine. Okay, so this is how you're going to install Docker on Windows 11 system. I hope you are having a great time learning these technologies. Thank you so much and have a great learning.